Open addressing is a method to solve collision within hash table. It's also known as closed hashing. In linear probing, when a collision happens, we linearly probe for the next bucket until an empty bucket is found. For example, assume a hash table with a size 11. Store following values using linear probing with the hash function. First input data 14, it returns the hash value 3. So it's stored at index 3. 13 at index 2, 23 in index 1, 17 in index 6, 29 index 7, 22 in index 0. For 33, it's supposed to store at index 0. But there is a collision. So we move one bucket at a time until find an empty bucket. 33 is stored in index 4. Summary. Linear probing moves one position at a time when there is a collision. Primary clustering, which is the cluster of filled bucket, when collisions are resolved. For instance, the few attempts for 33 to find empty bucket. This is one of the drawbacks using linear probing. Like, share, and subscribe.